Payday loans are easy to find online. Unsecured loans offered at very high interest rates. But before you're tempted to click, the Fox 5 I-Team's Dana Fowle says you need to hear why many of these loans are illegal in Georgia. What's the story?
It's about a Buford man who paid money. He lost money, and in the end, he never got the much needed loan he thought was coming to him. All the reasons why Georgia doesn't allow them.
I recently just moved back from Texas, so I was trying to, just get ahead, So I was researching loan companies so I can, pay for school and repair my car.
It's a familiar position for many people, needing just a little extra money to get by. Instead of going to the bank, Canaan Brown went online.
I was looking on the website.
Paydayspeed.com. It claims nearly 50,000 happily served customers. Just poking around got him a phone call from the online loan company.
She just talked about I was already pre-approved for a $10,000 loan, and it was fixed, so you would only owe back $600 on top of the $10,000.
That sounded good to him and to his wife. They're raising a family, and money is tight. So a monthly $220.83 payment for a $10,000 loan at 6% interest was doable. He immediately sent in his first payment.
She calls me back pretty much the same day, and she was like, okay, well, we checked your credit score. It's not as high as we initially thought, so you're gonna have to make 2 payments just to show your faith that you'll pay the loan back.
Before he's even gotten the loan, he sent about $663 up front. Then another phone call.
And he was like, I'm with the loan company, but he was like, we have to you had a red flag on your credit, so we have to take that off in order to process the loan.
He's now at $884, he says, in upfront costs. But it didn't stop there. More money was needed to pay for the Western Union tracking number. He thought that was odd.
But I did it anyway.
Then he went to pick up the money.
I run to the Western Union, the numbers don't work. The lady tells me they don't even show up in the system.
As he told the Georgia Consumer Protection Unit, he so far has paid $1,200 for a $10,000 loan he has yet to receive.
What does that sound like to you?
Sounds like a scam. We consider it to be a violation of the Fair Business Practices Act to be charging people in advance of providing something like money.
And Washington State's Department of Financial Institutions agreed in a consumer alert. Payday Speed and its many other names appears to be an advanced fee loan scam. Fox 5's I-Team producer told Canaan Brown how consumers paid fees but never got the loans.
In total, the consumer paid more than $1,000 in advance fees and did not receive the loan or refund.
Wow.
Does that sound familiar?
That sounds like me. Sadly, it sounds just like my story.
At this point, the Buford father just wants to forget the loan and to get his money back. So he called the online loan company.
I found out that it's illegal to charge money for a loan, and you won't give me a corporate office number. I left you over 30 messages.
And even after that, guess what they wanted him to do?
Like that and you couldn't just
send money.
I don't believe I should have to pay to receive my money back. That don't make sense.
Doesn't make any sense, does it? So I called Payday Speed's customer service number for a comment and was told that what I had to do was call headquarters, but they wouldn't give me the number. If you go to the headquarters address, at least the one that Payday Speed offers up to you, what you'll find is a different business that has a warning on its website that it is no way associated with this payday loan company. Over on my Facebook page, I've got a link there. It's to the state's rules and regulations when dealing with payday loans. Go ahead and take a look at that.
But he was $1,200 in the hole before the red flag started going
I know,
up.
and we asked him that. How come you didn't see these flags earlier? And he says because his peer group had taken out loans in the past with some upfront fees. Not this extreme. They got their loans, though. He thought this is how it's done when you have rocky credit. He's not alone in that. That is why so many of these companies exist. I doubt he's getting his money back either.
Oh, wow. That's just...
I know. I mean, a great family, such a nice family, a good guy. They're working hard. They made a big move. They lost their jobs. It could be any one of us.
Wow. That's a lesson learned for all of us, actually.
Yeah, absolutely.
All right. Dana, thank you so much for that.